Would you actually ever drive a car without wearing the seat belt? I know, especially in India, that's where I belong. If you're watching this from another country, for the longest time, people would not wear seat belts, but now it's become a norm, and thank God for that. But tell me something, would you now drive a car without using the seat belt? If the answer is no, which it should be, why are you living your life without insurance? Let's talk about that today. Hello and namaste. I'm Manish Ahuja. This is Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community coaching platform, financial education platform where I talk to you about how you can strengthen your money mindset, manage your money better, and take care of your finances. It's the new year, it's January 2021, and I'm making 10 videos this month to tell you what are the 10 things that you must do before the end of the year, which will help you be on a much better plane financially. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about insurance. Insurance is one of the most underutilized, underappreciated, and underused financial platform or financial tool. Believe me when I say there's a purpose I'm calling it a financial tool. There's a purpose why I'm not calling it a financial investment. The biggest reason why insurance as a tool is misinterpreted or misunderstood is because most insurance agents try to sell you insurance as an investment plan. It is not investment. Investment and insurance are two completely different products. In cities, investment would be a completely different city, and on the pole opposite end would be insurance. Insurance is literally like that seatbelt which you wear when you are driving. Insurance protects you. The use of insurance or the purpose of insurance is to keep you safe, keep your family secure, keep your loved ones secure if something wrong was to happen to you. Life is unpredictable, and we have seen the unpredictability of life, income, businesses, jobs, the best in the last year. I'm extremely grateful that we have survived 2020. I'm so happy that you are watching this video because it clearly means that you're coming from the right mindset of money and you only need to strengthen it better. And the best way to start 2021 is for you to figure out how much life insurance do you need, what kind of medical insurance do you and your loved ones need, if you're even eligible for some insurance, because there would be multiple situations where either you or your loved ones will not be eligible for life or medical insurance. Please get yourself insurance in every capacity, especially for your life and your medical expenses, as much as you can and as soon as you can. Of all the things that I'm telling you to do, everything is equally essential, but insurance is going to be one thing that you are going to be extremely thankful for in the future if you use it correctly and if you buy the right insurance which actually suits you and your loved ones. I probably will make a proper 1 month series on insurance, so let me request you to look at the comment section below the like button. Give me all your comments and questions about insurance. Tell me what would you like me to cover. Tell me what would you like to know about insurance. Do you think insurance is insurance is important? Do you hold insurance? Do you think you hold enough insurance? What are your questions about insurance? Let me know, and I promise you I'll try and answer all of them as much as I can. This may seem like a very short video and it may seem like a very inconsequential video, but believe me, it's going to be one of the most important videos if you use it correctly, and I hope you really do. If you have any questions, please let me know about them in the comment section below. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching.